Example, in triangle PQR, right angle at Q, PQ is equal to 12 cm, QR is equal to 5 cm, find sine P and tangent P. So as you can see, it is given that we have a right triangle PQR. So I'm going to draw a right triangle. So this is my right triangle PQR, and the triangle is right at angle Q. So this will be my right angle. So the side opposite to right angle is hypotenuse. So as you can see, we have to find sine P and tangent P. So basically angle P is my reference angle. So I'm going to circle P so that we can remember that this is my reference angle. So this is my reference angle P, and the name of the side opposite to reference angle is basically O, that is opposite, and the name of the side next to angle P is adjacent, which is basically A, and I already have my hypotenuse right there. Now let's look at the question. So the question says that PQ is 12 cm. So if I take PQ, then that will be 12 cm, which is my adjacent, and my opposite is basically QR, and it's given QR is 5, so my opposite will be 5. Now what I'm missing the value of the length of the side, which is hypotenuse. So I'm going to use the Pythagorean theorem. Pythagorean theorem states that C square is equal to A square plus B square, and we don't know C, so I will write C square is equal to A is my 12, or I can take any of these ones. So I'm taking A as 12, so I'll write 12 square plus my O is 5, which is basically B, so I will write 5 square as B. So square of 12 is 144 and square of 5 is 25. So I got C square is equal to 144 plus 25. If I add these two numbers together, I will get C square is equal to 169. Now let's find the square root on both sides. So if I find the square root on both sides, I will get the square root of C square is C is equal to square root of 169 is 13. So basically my missing side, which is hypotenuse, is 13 centimeter. So I will write my hypotenuse as 13. Now let's find the sine of P. So we know that sine of P is basically opposite over hypotenuse, and my opposite is 5. So I will write 5 over 13. And my tangent of P is basically opposite over adjacent, so I will write O over A, and my O is 5 over 12. So my tangent of P is basically 5 over 12. So my answer is sine of P is equal to 5 over 13, and my tangent of P is 5 over 12. And this is how we will find the trigonometric ratios for any given triangle.